In this video, we'll install Trailheads on the map.
How many times do you come down here?
Well, I come down here all the time, buddy. So now we've got this piece of shell right there, and you and I are going to saw it with this hacksaw. So come on over here.
Okay, that looks dangerous.
Huh?
Okay, the hacksaw looks dangerous.
What kind of a hacksaw? Stand
This.
over here. It's a little hack. I don't know your question. What is a hacksaw? It's normally for cutting metal, but we're going to cut shell. So we pull back first, and we just get it going real slow. And the teeth point forward, so it doesn't cut so good going backwards. That's how you get it started. See how smooth it is? And we have to be careful, because if we pop that off, it's going to get lost and we won't be able to find it. I don't know if that's going to be the right shape. Let me look. Scoot over this way a little bit where I'm pointing. It might be. Let's do another one, and then we'll break them both off. Let's do one just... Alright, now we got that part done. Let's pause this.